adding and subtracting radical expressions, radicals. Why did I write that twice? Adding and subtracting radical expressions. Level 1. Pretend it's not there. All right, so first things first. When we're adding and subtracting radical expressions, it's just like combining like terms. Let's say I had 4x squared plus 3x squared. Well, since both of them have an x squared, they're like terms, so we can combine it and make it 7x squared, right? We're just counting how many there are. Same thing's going to happen with adding and subtracting. We can't combine what's inside the square root because that's only something we can do when we multiply and divide. Right? Adding doesn't have the same rule. When we're adding, all we're doing is counting how many there are. I got 4 square roots of 2's plus 3 square roots of 2's, so that's just going to equal 7 root 2. Gets a little trickier when we can't see what the number is, right? There's a hidden 1 right here in front. So I've got negative 1 square root of 3 minus 1 square root of 3. So that one's going to equal negative 2 square root of 3, right? Not changing that square root of 3 at all, just combining the coefficients. All right, we can also do this when we have 3 terms, but notice this one and this term are the only ones in common. This term here has a square root of 7, so we can't combine that one with the rest of them. So I'm just going to combine this 2 square root of 5 and negative 3 square root of 5, and we get negative 1 square root of 5. Then we have to make sure we don't forget about, kind of the leftovers, plus 4 square root of 7. That doesn't look the greatest, but that's as simplified as it gets because I can't put together the root 5 with the root 7, right? Those are different.